In today's video, we'll dive into a crucial topic that affects all of us: carbon emissions. We'll explore what carbon emissions are, how they contribute to climate change, and the impact they have on our planet. Most importantly, we'll discuss actionable steps we can take to reduce these emissions and make a positive difference. Stick around to learn how each of us can contribute to a healthier, more sustainable world. I have divided today's video into multiple sections. Let's dive into it. Section 1. Our planet is warming at an alarming rate. This is not a natural cycle that the Earth has experienced before. It is caused by us through our relentless activities. We release gases that trap heat from the sun, altering the natural balance. These gases are known as greenhouse gases. The most important one is carbon dioxide, or CO2, which is released in large quantities. CO2 acts like an extra blanket around Earth, trapping more heat. This trapped heat makes our planet warmer over time. This warming has serious and far-reaching consequences. Rising temperatures disrupt weather patterns, leading to more extreme events. We experience hotter summers, colder winters, stronger storms, and longer droughts, affecting millions. Sea levels rise as ice melts, causing widespread issues. This threatens coastal communities and wildlife habitats, putting lives and ecosystems at risk. Section 2. Most of the extra CO2 in our atmosphere comes from burning fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are coal, oil, and natural gas. We burn them to power our homes, cars, and factories. When we burn these fuels, we release CO2 into the atmosphere. This disrupts the natural carbon cycle. Deforestation is another major source of CO2 emissions. Trees absorb CO2 from the atmosphere as they grow. Cutting down forests releases this stored carbon back into the air. Industrial processes like cement production also contribute to carbon emissions. These processes release CO2 as a byproduct. Section 3. We must reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Fortunately, we have alternatives, renewable energy sources. These sources replenish naturally and emit little to no CO2. Solar energy harnesses the power of the sun. Photovoltaic panels convert sunlight directly into electricity. Solar thermal systems use sunlight to heat water or air. Wind energy uses wind turbines to generate electricity. The wind turns the blades, which power a generator. Hydroelectric power utilizes the flow of water to generate electricity. Dams create reservoirs, and water flowing through the dams spins turbines. Section 4. Using less, living more. This section explores how small changes in our daily lives can lead to a more sustainable future. Reducing our energy consumption is crucial in combating climate change. By using renewable energy sources like solar and wind, we can significantly cut down on harmful emissions. Energy efficiency means using less energy to achieve the same result. This can be as simple as upgrading to energy-efficient home appliances or improving the insulation in our homes. This benefits both the environment and our wallets. Lower energy bills mean more savings for other important needs. In our homes, we can improve insulation, use energy-efficient appliances, and adopt smart home technologies to monitor and reduce energy use. Switching to LED lighting is another effective way to save energy. LEDs use a fraction of the power compared to traditional bulbs and last much longer. These small changes add up to significant energy savings over time, making a big impact on our overall energy consumption. Transportation is another area where we can make a difference. Opting for fuel-efficient vehicles, carpooling, using public transportation, and even considering electric or hybrid cars can greatly reduce our carbon footprint. Choosing to walk or cycle not only reduces emissions but also promotes a healthier lifestyle. Carpooling to work can also save money and reduce traffic congestion. Industries can adopt energy-efficient technologies and practices. Optimizing processes, reducing waste, and investing in energy-efficient machinery can lead to substantial energy savings. Using recycled materials in production processes not only conserves resources, but also contributes to a smaller carbon footprint. Every effort counts in creating a sustainable future. Section 5. Trees, our breathing partners. Trees are not just part of our environment, they are essential to our survival. Trees are our allies in the fight against climate change. They provide us with oxygen, store carbon, stabilize the soil, and give life to the world's wildlife. They act as natural carbon sinks, absorbing CO2 from the atmosphere during photosynthesis. This process helps to reduce the greenhouse effect and combat global warming. Protecting existing forests and planting new trees are essential for mitigating climate change. Reforestation and afforestation are two key strategies in this effort. Reforestation involves planting trees in areas that have been previously forested but were cleared for other uses. This helps to restore the natural habitat and biodiversity. Afforestation refers to planting trees in areas that have not been forested for a long time. This can help to create new ecosystems and increase carbon sequestration. Conserving existing forests is crucial. These forests are home to countless species and play a vital role in maintaining the Earth's climate. Deforestation not only releases stored carbon, but also reduces the planet's capacity to absorb future emissions. It leads to loss of biodiversity and disrupts water cycles. We must protect these vital ecosystems. By doing so, we ensure a healthier planet for future generations. Section 6. Trapping carbon. Scientists are developing advanced technologies to capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and store it safely. This innovative process is known as carbon capture and storage, or CCS. CCS technologies capture CO2 from power plants and various industrial facilities. The captured CO2 is then compressed and transported to designated storage sites. Potential storage sites include depleted oil and gas reservoirs, deep saline aquifers, and unminable coal seams. While CCS is still in its early stages, it holds great promise as a way to reduce atmospheric CO2 concentrations. Section 7. Our future in our hands. Climate change is a serious threat, but it is not insurmountable. We have the knowledge, the technology, and the resources to address it. What we need now is collective action. Each one of us can make a difference. By reducing our carbon footprints, supporting renewable energy, and advocating for change, we can create a sustainable future. The time for action is now. Let us work together to protect our planet for present and future generations. The future of humanity depends on it.